How to set up a recurring investment in Acorns. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. To set up recurring investment, what you need to do is, if it's from the app, after logging into your account, tap on Invest, tap Recurring, enter the desired amount, frequency, and date settings you would like to invest, and press on Save. And if you're doing from website, after logging into your account, click on Invest, click on Recurring Investments, enter the desired amount, frequency, and date settings you would like to invest, click on Update, and you're good to go. And after you do this, you will set up recurring investment. This is how to set up a recurring investment in Acorns. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.